from the presentation, the important...
You better hold.
As you can see from the presentation, the important take-home message with the proposed amendments is that we want to enhance the traceability of the animals so that we can follow up in the view of the health and the welfare of the animals that are concerned in the pet trade.
其實咧，就講到呢個法例嘅修訂嘅其中一個主要嘅目的咧，就係希望可以提升我哋追蹤所有動物來源嘅能力，咁就讓到我哋處方咧係可以做適當嘅跟進工作。
There are several points that have come up during this meeting, and I would like to re-emphasize these points as well, because I think it's very important that if everybody in this room, if they do see any aspect of illegal trading, it is very important for you to call us so that we can follow up on these cases. There are successful prosecutions for the previous 3 years, which do indicate illegal breeders, internet trade, people who are posing as commercial animal traders without license. The other aspects that have come up through this discussion, such as the abandonment of the dogs, I think this is very important as well, that people understand that there are legislations currently available that will address this issue. It is illegal to abandon animals, so people can report these cases as well for our follow-up as well.
咁頭先討論嘅時候咧，有幾點咧係非常之重要嘅，咁我就係想逐點回應啦。第一個咧就係如果各位見到有任何非法嘅動物嘅交易啦或者貿易啦，係需要打電話俾漁護處，等我哋係可以做跟進工作。而過往咧，我哋的而且確係有成功檢控過呢啲嘅個案嘅。咁同時咧，亦都係包括有啲譬如話係非法嘅繁殖場啦，或者係網上嘅交易啊，或者係用其他途徑係假扮去揾一啲領養嘅人咁樣嘅情況都可以打俾我哋嘅。第二點咧就係講到遺棄一啲狗隻啦，其實而家已經有法例咧係指出呢一啲遺棄動物嘅行為咧係非法嘅。咁如果你哋遇到咧，都係需要舉報。
Thank you for your translation. There are other current measures that I would like to mention during this meeting as well, that there are concerns about illegal trade coming in from across the border. Currently, we are liaising with the other government departments, Customs and Excise, to deal with this issue. And we also have within ASCD foreign detected dogs, which will also try to capture this sort of problem as they come across the border.
同時咧，仲有我哋有採納到其他嘅措施啦，譬如話頭先大家講到大陸咧有一啲嘅狗隻咧係非法咧係賣咗嚟香港嘅，咁其實我哋已經同對口嘅單位啦，即係呢個海關咧係有密切嘅合作，就係希望咧係可以杜絕呢一啲嘅非法嘅活動。
The last topic, which is a bit of a hot issue, is this genetic breed disorders. Now, as a vet, I can tell you that inherited diseases is not an exact science. I can tell you that there are certain breeds that have problems, but it doesn't mean that all individuals within that species will have that problem either. So therefore, you have to consider if you want to enforce something that is not an exact science, it is going to be quite difficult because you either ban the whole breed, which is not really acceptable because individuality does not mean that you have to be banned either. And it will also affect the trade as well. But you do have to keep these things in mind when you give out suggestions about genetic breed disorders.
同埋另外最後一個題目咧，就係好多人講到咧，就有啲遺傳嘅疾病啦。其實遺傳疾病呢一樣嘢咧，呢一門嘅科學咧，而家仲未有一個定論㗎。咁雖然係有一啲品種裡面嘅動物咧係發現有問題，但係唔係話嗰個品種咧就所有每一隻動物都有問題啦。如果我哋喺呢一方面要去執法或者係修改我哋法例嘅話咧，係會非常之困難，因為呢一門嘅科學咧其實而家未有一個實在嘅定論，咁亦都唔可以話成個品種咧就係禁止佢去繁殖嘅。
And lastly, thank you, Mr. Chairman, for inviting us here because what we have heard today has helped us to understand more fully the situation that is occurring in the society at the moment. And we will take these constructive comments back with us to try and explore further methods The current proposals will be reviewed again in 12 months' time, and hopefully we will see some progress from what's been proposed today. Thank you.
咁最後就係多謝主席咧，就邀請我哋今日嚟係出席呢一個嘅會議啦，等我哋係更加了解社會上嘅關注同埋各個問題啦。咁你哋今日提出所有意見咧，我哋都會係帶翻去處方，咁喺4個月之後咧，我哋會進行檢討，咁希望到時你係有實際嘅進展嘅。4個月，12個月之後係會檢討嘅。